Who's ready for a tip today? Who's ready for a tip today? I got a tip for you today about light brown sugar and dark brown sugar. Stay tuned. So, have you ever wondered what the difference between light brown sugar and dark brown sugar is? Well, I will let you know exactly what the difference is, as well as when your recipe calls for light brown sugar and you don't have it, and instead you have dark brown sugar, if you can use it or not. The biggest difference between these two is the molasses count. In light brown sugar, there is 3.5% of molasses. In dark brown sugar, there is 6.5% of molasses. That means in dark brown sugar, the amount of molasses is almost double the amount in light brown sugar. So the good news about light brown sugar and dark brown sugar is that they're interchangeable, which means that if your recipe says to use dark brown sugar and you have light brown sugar on hand, you can use a light brown sugar and it won't mess up your recipe at all. And you can also do the same vice versa. Thank you for watching. Hey y'all, make sure you like and subscribe to my videos. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell at the bottom. That way you can get all notifications on all upcoming videos. Thank you.